How to change the battery in a Skoda Fabia Mark II 3-button remote key fob. If your key fob looks like the one I've got here, which is out of a Skoda Fabia 1.6 TDI 2014, then the chances are this method will work for you. First thing you want to do is turn the key fob upside down and flip out the little metal key. Then locate the small recess about halfway down the outer edge of the case, just here. Then you can either press upwards with a flat bladed screwdriver to release it, or if I close it again, you can actually do it with your thumb. Hold the fob firmly and then pull up. Once it's released by a few millimeters, turn your attention to the rear of the key fob, and you'll notice the rear corner will be slightly ajar, which is where you can either put a bladed screwdriver in or your thumbnail into the gap with your other thumb pushing up against the cover, and it'll open up. Opening the cover and then inspecting it, we can see the 2 clip tags on the far side of the cover, the long rear clip tag and the release tag. Take note of the circular silicone seal, which should remain in place and intact. Turning our attention to the key fob and battery, you can see it's held at the top with 2 tags, and at the bottom just here is the space where you insert a little screwdriver to release the battery, which is under spring tension and will pop out, as you can see. The battery is a 3-volt CR 2032, and when you're replacing it, only use good quality batteries. Make sure the battery is clean and free from grease. The positive side is towards you, and you're inserting the front edge under the 2 clips at the top, and then simply push the rear down. Clean the battery again before you put the cover back. Align the 2 side clips on the back edge. Then roll over the remaining cover from the bottom edge towards the release clip, and it'll all clip back into place. Test the little red light comes on when you press the buttons, and the job's done. Now all you've got to do is test it against the car. Job done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, I really appreciate that. Feel free to share this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next video.